Guys, it is Vlogmas day 1.
Vlogmas video.
Vlogmas video. Maranello.
Charles. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Vlogmas day 1. So for the first day of Vlogmas, I want to do first day of December kind of vlog. So happy December 1st. And guys, this is about the third year. I just want to promise status actually. Yeah, see them. The third year Vlogmas start and like gone. I'm gonna insert clip of this morning when I was trying to vlog, but the flashlight that kind of blind me, so never did that happen. So if I'm not in frame right now, I'm not too cuss. It's the first day of December, which means it is a Vlogmas day 1, and this is happening again. It has happened before, like that. So we're working with the electricity, and now me and these lights, and I can't see where I'm going, so I've gotta stop vlogging. So I did not pack my bag last night, so I have to be packing it right now. So yes, I was trying to vlog this morning, guys. Like gone. So we're kind of running late. It's almost 7. I need to leave by 7. And then today I have a workshop, which I'm not even sure how that's gonna work, because if we're gonna follow me a pen, I'm not go. So I'm gonna try. Chatting for my pass. I'm gonna try and see how well I can get to my pen and back without getting stuck down there. Morning. Without getting stuck down there. So yeah, that's on the agenda for today. So I'm going to work in the morning, and then I'm gonna leave work and then go make pen. So yes, welcome to the first vlog. As I said in the previous video that I did last night, which will be uploaded today, I'm not necessarily gonna do only vlogs. I'm gonna do like sit down videos, hauls, depending on whatever my mood is, whatever I have planned for you guys. I have at least 15 days planned for you guys already, and I need to sit down and plan the rest because we're going until the 26th, so we need all of those. Anyways guys, I am loving the breeze. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the outfit for the day. Hopefully you guys can see me. And then I gotta see the bottom. So this is the top that I have on. Let me tell you something. This is not iron, and it look like it iron though. I hope it look like it's iron. We did iron last night, and as I said, electricity gone. So, and I put on this black pants that also is not iron, but it looks iron. It looks about iron. Yeah. And then my brown shoes. I don't know how that match, but the black shoes will go far. Anyways, heading out. See if I can get a taxi. This is good girl. And then go to school. I have to stop and buy breakfast because when I get to eat nothing. So I'm hungry. She eats it when I get breakfast. I'm hungry. So now see if I can get something to eat. Monaco biscuit or something. but just wet. So guys, we just asked my friend like what time cousin drive, you know, so you know the road, like what time you think me can leave. I'm say about 10:30. So I'm gonna be leaving school about 10:30, which is probably is break time. So I'm gonna have 2 sessions, then I have my break and leave. So yeah. So yes guys, and it's a good thing because I'm need to have class in grade 11s. So because then I have no class tomorrow, they need the revision. It's a revision week, so revise with them today and then see how that work. So yes, I'm almost at school, so see you guys later. I'm at work now. I'm gonna eat this plant chips because I like Donald. So I'm gonna eat this plant chips and then some water. Hopefully she can hold me until break time. Sometime about pass and then leave. My sister's learning. Good morning. Huh? Actually, no. Not at all. In the Vlogmas video. We're going to Vlogmas. Just let me see school no today. I'm kind of frightened because if not today and if people let me come here, I'm gonna cry. Anyways, I'm gonna go find where the workshop is, then we get back to him. I was told that the guys, I'm nearly frightened. No teacher, no people, nobody else except for administrators is here. So me, there, and like them a call. Nobody know about the workshop. But then me I call the lady that's in charge, and she's saying that it will be at the library. So I'm heading to the library right now. Please empty. Puppies. So yeah. So I think the library's over here, but if it's over this side, I'ma just eat here so. But we're gonna find out first and then come out and eat. Yeah? Alright, so we're going to sit down in this lovely, lovely little park and have some lunch. And then we go to the workshop.
When I'm teaching fraction.
Hey guys, so I am at Penance waiting. It's currently 5 or something, and I see no taxi inside, so I'm gonna be here for a while. Hi, what's up? How y'all doing?
You hide the lip.
What your lip? Anyways, just telling y'all that I reached from my day practice. Bye.
That sunny weather, this hot sunny weather, where the people are.
Alright guys, so I went into Bashco and I got some lights. Daddy sent me out to buy some lights. I bought some LED lights. I bought 2 different kinds. This is the, what is Maranello Christmas collection, and I also got this one. It's the same brand. One is 140L and then one is 100L. So yeah, I don't know what that is, but yeah, all of them supposed to be white. I think these were like 1400, and then that was like 1,000 something. So the bill, it came up to like 6,000 something. So yeah. Oh yeah, I saw 1,004, but this thing is like 1,002 something. You know that one that will comes with, I think something to make it, but oh cool. I love it. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, that's that. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.